This is Marissa Hurst of the ABCD News. We are about to go to Hannah live on location at Kansas State University, where they are experiencing severe weather. Hannah, how does it look out there?
Hi, Marissa. It's been getting really stormy here at Kansas State University, and I think it could potentially be disastrous for a lot of students and faculty who are still out and about tonight. As you can hear, we're experiencing a lot of rain and thunder and lightning. The temperature has been really hot today, which mixed with the cool air causes these big storms, as well as the potential for tornadoes. Oh my goodness! Look over there! A tornado is touching down right now here at Kansas State University! Oh my God! Look at it! Wow! It's pretty big! Ma'am, what are you doing?
I'm tornado chasing.
What are you doing?
No, this is a really dangerous situation. It's just really extremely dangerous. You need to take cover immediately.
I don't think so, because ever since I was a little girl, I've dreamed of seeing a tornado in person. I don't think they're dangerous. Why would this be dangerous? Look how nice it is. Beautiful day, a little rainstorm, and a nice tornado.
Ma'am, no, we need to take cover. I'm a highly trained news professional, and I understand tornadoes, okay? But the number one thing that I do know is that they're very unpredictable and can do lots of damage. So it's probably better if we both take cover now, as well as any of you else out in the Manhattan area. Go into the basement if you have one, or if not, find a closet or a bathroom that doesn't have any windows. Tornadoes are dangerous and scary, but if we can avoid a lot of the risk by taking cover, well, we still need to take cover. Back to you,
Thank you,
Marissa.
Hannah, for that on-scene report. Just to recall what she said, there is a tornado on the ground at Manhattan, Kansas Campus University. Please take cover now.